This is a cane toad, and it's one of the largest true toads in the world. But here's what makes it famous and dangerous. Behind its eyes are large parotoid glands that produce a powerful toxin. When the toad feels threatened, it can release this toxin as a defense against predators. And here is another side to its story. They have been introduced to places outside their native range, including Australia, where their rapid spread has created serious problems for native wildlife. So, this isn't just a fascinating amphibian, it's also a reminder that introducing a species into new ecosystems can have unexpected consequences. Would you ever pick up a cane toad?